Who is the Chief Minister of Mizoram? Hi everyone! Inzavain si bai vek ule ka channel la kalo lom chewa zan in hianin thil kan tingai lo deuh lek ka iPhone Siri hi kan kom don ani chu thu te kan zo tanga enge chu e kha shi thia mem sa tong kan befel troll don ani chu kan lo chon khan ma yang Hey Siri, how are you?
I'm fine, thanks.
Hey Siri, tell me a joke.
An exterminator went out on a call and found their customer standing in the middle of a field. What's up? Asked the exterminator. I've got two problems.
Hey Siri.
Said the customer.
No, that's too long, way too long. Tell me a shorter joke.
Remember, there are two little words that will open a lot of doors for you. Push and pull.
Very funny. I'm not laughing. Hey Siri, will it be raining tomorrow?
It doesn't look like it's going to rain tomorrow.
Oh. Hey Siri, do you know what bread is?
Bread is a staple food prepared from a dough of flour and water, usually by baking. Do you want me to keep reading?
That'll be fine, thank you. Hey Siri, do you know what croissant is?
A croissant is a buttery, flaky, vinoiserie pastry of Austrian origin, but mostly associated with France. Do you want me to keep reading?
That'll be all, thank you.
Croissants are named for their historical crescent shape and,
Hey
like
Siri,
other vinoiseries.
that's enough. No, I'm not shouting at you. Hey Siri, do you know what Tao Satuile is?
I don't have an answer for that. Is there something else I can help with?
See, you're being racist. You're being racist right now. Croissant ishia, bread po ishia, ma se Tao Satuile ishle silo, enge omzia. You know, I don't own you. I just own the iPhone where you are at. So at least I'm hoping you would understand my culture. But Siri, you're being racist right now.
Who do you want to send it to?
You're being racist right now, and you are trying to change the subject. But Alex,
who do you want to send it to?
Nobody.
Okay then.
Hey Siri, what day is it tomorrow?
It's Saturday, February 26, 2022.
Great. And finally, hey Siri, who is the President of the United States of America?
Joe Biden is the President of the United States.
Very good. You are right. And hey Siri, who is the Chief Minister of Mizoram?
Zoramthanga is the Chief Minister of Mizoram.
Bye. Siri, I think you have a serious problem regarding political parties. Political party ini Indonesia hi nang mahi isu tiamem. Natinge pulal tanhola tu tranviao po nila tu na tak let's face the facts, Siri. Zoramthanga hi Chief Minister of Mizoram to anisi siya natinge pulal tanhola ilati chal. Bye. Ngoro ve khaten zor thale chinang tun hanga tinga shat swan. Hey Siri, who is the Chief Minister of Mizoram?
Zoramthanga is the Chief Minister of Mizoram.
Hey, Congress Party ruitsil lut toki ami ini eshitia mem. Zoramthanga Chief Minister pom tlat lo Siri hian hey dot ka soi lo ka siam chapani lo ka edit chapani lo kan ti thaleang. Hey Siri, who is the Chief Minister of Mizoram?
Zoramthanga is the Chief Minister of Mizoram.
Bye. Nagtuka kayo muli doon niya. Oh. Party with si Lelo took my Siri. Bye.